If you love homemade baked goods, yet you don't want to heat up your kitchen by turning on your oven this time of year, then you're going to love the old-fashioned icebox cake we're whipping up today. The first thing we do is whisk together a package of instant vanilla pudding with some milk, along with some of the juice that we get after draining a can of sliced peaches. Once that starts to thicken up, we fold in a container of whipped topping. We set that aside for a sec while we place a layer of graham crackers on the bottom of a 9x13 baking dish and top it with about a third of the pudding mixture. To give this a summery fresh taste, we lay half of the drained peaches over the cream before spooning on more of the pudding mixture. Then we simply repeat the layers, ending with more peaches on top. After this chills and sets up, it's ready to serve. It may be a no-bake, but it tastes like you fussed over it all day. With the creamy filling, the graham crackers that soak up all the goodness, and the juicy peaches, get ready for everyone to ask you to make this all summer long. To get the recipe for our Peachy Keen Icebox Cake, simply visit our website. I'm Howard with Kelly in the Mr. Food Test Kitchen, where today we found a no-bake way for you to say, ooh, it's so good. Go ahead.